my God. Hello, everyone. Yeah, what a night. We had the Loosey Goosey stream yesterday, Loosey Goosey interview, and we did our little fun time, little time with Cleo. This is something small, simple. Microwaved burritos with pizza rolls, Tostitos pizza rolls. You know, it's what it is. You know, same thing as always. 2 o'clock in the morning. I had the month, just like I'm about to go to bed, but whatever. I hope everyone enjoyed today's videos. I really do, though. I seriously do. It was a fun time for me. And yeah, fun time for me. It was a fun time for you. And that's all. I'm going to bed soon. A simple junk meal, microwave burrito meal. Bye.